Hello everyone, in this video we will talk about the Bhopal gas tragedy case study, one of the worst industrial disasters in the history. The exact numbers of dead and injured are uncertain, as people have continued to die of the effects of a period of years. The severity of this accident makes it the worst recorded within the chemical industry. In the following video, we will cover what happened that night, how the accident unfolded, key technical and management failure, emergency response failures, and the safety lesson for industry. The incident. On the night of 2nd 3rd December 1984, a deadly accident occurred at Union Carbide India Limited in Bhopal, India. The plant stored a highly toxic chemical called the methyl isocyanate or MIC. Shortly after midnight, a safety valve on the MIC storage tank opened. A large cloud of toxic gas was released into the atmosphere. The gas drifted into nearby residential areas, where thousands of people were sleeping. Warning sign before the release. At around 11 p.m., an operator noticed that the pressure inside the MIC was higher than normal. It was not yet beyond limits, so no urgent action was taken. At the same time, a MIC leak was reported near the vent gas scrubber. By 12:15 am, another MIC release was reported inside the process area. Tank pressure continued to rise rapidly. Operators heard rumbling sound from the storage tank. A screeching noise came from the safety valve. They could even feel heat radiating from the tank. Failure of safety system. Operators tried to start vent gas scrubber, but it was not operational. The flare system, which should have burned toxic gases, had been out of service for months. The refrigeration system designed to keep MIC cold and stable had been decommissioned. As a result, the MIC temperature rose above the safe design limit. Water entered the tank. This caused a runaway exothermic reaction uncontrollably. The safety valve lifted and toxic gas escaped. Emergency response failure. Around 2,000 people died within a short time. Tens of thousands were injured. Hospitals were overwhelmed. Doctors didn't know which gas was involved. They didn't know how to treat the victims. Even plant operators were unsure when to activate the siren. Emergency plans existed, but they were ineffective. Key safety lesson. This disaster shows us safety system must never be ignored. Critical equipment must remain operational. Changes require proper heads-up and MOC. Emergency planning must be realistic and practiced. Communities must be informed and protected. The Bhopal tragedy remains a powerful reminder. When safety fails, the consequences are irreversible. Thanks for watching Document if you want to get knowledge about such other case studies and industrial disasters.